Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Trailhead Ranger NJ, and we were doing this series of this completing the trail mix, that is unlock your data with data cloud, and we are covering all the data cloud trails mentioned here. So in our last video related to this series, we have covered data cloud use cases. Now in this video we'll be covering data cloud powered experiences. So in this module, we'll be talking about how the data cloud works, what are their features, where we can utilize it, and some of the videos are available for you to see the data cloud in action as well. So let's get started. And in our first unit, that is learn how data cloud works. First of all, what exactly is the Salesforce data cloud? So it is allowing us to have a platform which combines the power of all the Salesforce platform uh, to have all of the data at one place. We can access all of the data. It offers us a bridge to harness data split across many orgs which can be belongs to another clouds as well, such as marketing, sales cloud, service cloud, commerce cloud, and many more. So it expands Salesforce capabilities by using the best pieces of the developer-friendly Salesforce platform and adding a highly scalable infrastructure. So how exactly it works? So here you can see we are having a connect, that is which is might be holding the unstructured data or any structured data, and then we will connect it to the data cloud. After connecting it to the data cloud, it harmonize the data and unify it, so it can utilize the data stream or any kind of zero copy or the batches. Then it will transform the data and we will have our unified profiles as well. Then we can analyze and act on that data using insights, segment, analyze, AI predictions, activations, flows, actions, and export. So here you can see we can connect any type of data, whether it could be batch, streaming, or the real-time data. Then we can prepare our data through the transformations or the data governance feature. We can harmonize it, unify the data with the identity resolution rule sets, and then we can query and analyze the data using insights. We would be having AI to predict its behavior as well, and we can have this data ground in our clouds to use with agentforce. We can analyze it, expand it, or act on it across any channel. Then we can segment these audiences and create the personalized experiences as well. That is, we can have suppose if we are having 100 records and we would want 10 records to be seen by some user or some profile user, and another 90 would be by some other, so that would be the segment audiences and providing the personalized experiences. Then we would have the output data to multiple sources to act on data based on our business needs, and we can just analyze it, act on it, review it, and measure it, and even optimize it. So these are some of the videos which are provided to you. You can see how you can work on it. So basically we can connect and ingest the data. So there are certain types of data we can ingest from sales, service, commerce, marketing, cloud engagements, or any third party sources such as Amazon S3, Google storage connectors, or zero copy sources such as Snowflake, Databricks, BigQuery, or the ingestion API, or web and mobile connectors, and even MuleSoft connector as well. So after getting the data in a data cloud, we can transform it and model the data so that it can be useful for us. This modeling of the data will be calling as the harmonizing the data from these different sources into our standard data model, which is nothing but the customer 360 data model. Then we can unify it and enhance the data. Unify means that customer will be having this data at one place in one profile, and we can enhance this data using the insights or the rule set. That is, while unifying the data, we can use it to matching or the reconciliation rules to see if we can link the data about people or accounts into the unified profiles. So these required data is mapped to the data model, and rule sets are being created in the identity resolution. I know some terms could be alienated for you as of now, but we can utilize it, and we will be learning more about it in future videos. So don't worry about it. And then we can enhance the data with insights as well. Using AI models, we can ground the data and analyze and act on data. So we'll just directly go to the quiz now. Our first question is, how does Data Cloud unify data to create a unified profile of an individual? First option is customer 360 data model. Second option is Tableau dashboards. Third option is identity resolution rule sets. And fourth is data transformation. So you can even analyze from each option that third one is the correct one. I'll explain how. So first option is customer 360 data model. So it is basically a data cloud which is allowing us to have all the data at one place. It is providing us the connectivity or a platform, but it is not a means to create a unified profile of an individual. Then second, we are having Tableau dashboards. So as its both words suggest, that dashboards means it will allow us to see data at one place, and Tableau means it is using the Tableau platform. Then third is identity resolution rule sets. So we are resoluting an identity based on the rule sets. And fourth is data transformation. So that actually happens when we are connecting it to the outside source and getting the data into the data cloud and then transforming the data. So C option should be the correct one. Then second question we have, how can a customer act on data from data cloud in a customer 360 app? So first option is ingest data from MuleSoft. Second option is trigger data actions. Third option is activate a segment to journey builder. And fourth is A and B, or fifth option is B and C. So to have a customer act on a data in our data cloud app, we should have trigger data actions or the activate a segment to journey builder, but not ingest data from MuleSoft. So that is just getting the data into the data cloud, but not performing any action on it. So for performing an action on it, we'll be utilizing these two methods. So let's check if it is correct or not. And it is correct. Let's move on to the next unit, that is C, data cloud in action. So there are certain examples present or videos present by the Salesforce. You can go through this. That is how they are adding the data, how they are setting up identity resolution and creating the insights, then targeting audiences using the data, then created automated flows and analyze the data. That's how you can go through it and you will get some idea. So this is those videos. We are not going through it in this video, but we'll cover the quiz. And our first question of quiz is, which of the following is an example of how data cloud can be used by a sales rep? So first option is view insights about customer prospects and potential sales. Second option is create a health scoring application. Third option is personalize an e-commerce website. And the last is implement a plan to reduce support tickets. So of course, first option is the correct one for the sales. Sales representative will always analyze the prospect leads and see how their potential sales are going on. Second question is, which type of insight lets you see what a user has clicked on in near real time? First option is data clicks. Second is identity resolution. Third is batch insights. And the fourth is streaming insights. So last option is the correct one, which allows us to see what a user has clicked on in near real time. So let's check if this is correct. And this is correct, and that's how we have completed this module, that is data cloud powered experiences. So I hope you like it, and if you do understand something, please like the video and subscribe the channel. And in our next video, we'll be covering this very small module, that is data spaces in data cloud. Quick look. In this video, we'll be understanding what exactly is data spaces and how we are using it in the data cloud, what its significance. So stay tuned for more and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.